Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is a very exciting day because we just took possession of our new warehouse, our team building, which means we get to start remodeling it to fit our needs. Let's get to renovating. Heavy duty work already. Damn. Holes in walls, man. Whew. Already ripped out most of the flooring. We came up with a few ideas, which walls we are going to be knocking down, which ones we are going to be keeping and stuff. And honestly, I think for us, this is a big way to save money. Do it yourself. You know what? I really should be wearing my mask. And of course, I can't start the day off without your Timmies. You're Canadian.
Oh, we have a lawnmower, so our door stopped.
These guys have done work. So this used to be the kitchen area, but the plan is to just completely knock that wall down, the wall behind it, and then it'll be this huge open area for retail and stuff, and maybe down the line, like car parts. That'd be cool. The dog's here. Hey, what up, dude? This is your new play area, so big. Woo. Wow, those guys cleaned up quick. Damn, you guys remember how filled this room used to be? But now you guys get a better idea of just how many cars you can actually fit in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And obviously there's gonna be lifts and stuff, but yeah, this is Angus's room. God damn, should I move?
Should be fine.
So he's gonna meet us?
Yeah, at his house.
Okay,
he's gonna
cool.
pay us food for us.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So now we're off to Tejo's house. We're gonna go grab the big printer and we're gonna try our best to move it here because it's heavy as F. Woo!
Just free load.
Yo, salome! Woo! Yo, I didn't know that Altezza was Eddie's.
Yeah, he has
awesome.
like 2.
What the heck, man?
Unlock the door?
It's all Toyotas. Sweet. Okay. Off to Tejo's. Truck smoking so much.
Dodge Ram problems. I think his head gasket's about to go.
Jeez, you can hear this kid's exhaust. Yeah, for sure.
Thank you, Teo.
Thanks, Tejo.
Just bring it downstairs.
Nice. Bang cut. Whoa. This is the studio. So this is what we have to move. Right? Yeah? All of this basically. Got the plotter, the computer setup, the 2 plotters, and a laminating machine. This is pretty crazy, but this is all going to the new shop.
Yes, I'm gonna ask you for the hustles.
This better be stuffed crust. If this is his bike,
Yeah, this.
it is. Huh, that kid,
Some time in my house.
crazy.
It was red and he dropped it.
Yeah.
So I placed the fairings for him.
Oh, nice. Yeah, with a fairing
I
kit.
did the tank, but it's faded.
Crazy. It's a nice bike, man. Do you know how many cc's?
That's 600.
Oh, okay. Just started ringing again.
Please press 1. To speak
Here it
to
is.
an officer, please press 1. Thank you.
Should we play around with these guys? Nah, it's not worth my time. Just another scam caller, but I've been through this before.
There you go.
With the
Don't put
spicy
too much on
spice?
it.
Really?
Yeah. We're just gonna put it on the dish or something like that and lightly.
He didn't tell me that day when he gave me the dumpling.
That's not even red, dude. It's like black. The ultimate insanity. Okay, that's fitting. Skull, what's the word?
Doesn't even have the number.
Scolio rating?
Yeah,
or
what
whatever.
is that?
It has its own bar, but it's full.
Yeah.
Strong man, Sonny.
You guys need to be on the lower, like the closest part. Oh, that looks.
Oh yeah, you experienced this. Welcome to Whoa.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Whether or not it's
Walk. Yeah, that's another thing. Lifting in the stationary.
I think I can walk. It's just I don't want to step.
We did it. Good effort.
That'll sting a little
Yeah.
bit,
From the strap.
He had the strap
Yeah, because like
so
it's-
weirdly.
Yeah, it
because
slipped.
Yeah.
And then
both of
like
his
it
arms-
slid
Entire
down.
yeah.
He
Oh,
was like
fuck.
this, like handcuffing himself, walking, and like then he falls and like, oh fuck, where's he going on?
That could have been so bad. Like
Differently, but it worked.
yeah, whatever works, man. That took 2 minutes.
So glad you worked on that. Little wood.
To get it down,
If we were all on that too. Jeez Louise, man.
That has to remain good. We are doing this next.
Chop chop bitches.
we're gonna do the same.
No, this one you need people supporting in the middle. Please relax.
Angus taught me a new technique.
Yeah, like you're in Asia trying to take a shit.
Alright, the floors.
Holy mother. Okay, that's cardio for the rest of my life.
Is it taping?
Actually, that's the sounds you don't want to make when you're growing older.
Yeah.
You were using more of your back.
I did for that area because I couldn't.
Well, at least 50%.
I did nothing.
We'll move it back up.
Balancing the machine.
He's using his face.
Yes. Right. Legs. Nice work.
Hey, you're trapped, you're trapped. You have to go the other way, dude. It's because, how? Can't wait to play around with these more. Yo, stop. Okay, I think we're good. Oh wait, I forgot my battery charger.
Yeah.
Gotta pack our lunch, dude. No Coronas here, boys. Okay, I think we're a-okay. Just, ow. Man, that thing's so dangerous.
You know, like when we were moving the printer,
Yeah.
Tail actually had to chop all this wood.
Oh,
Well, actually-
that's why.
Yeah.
Oh, it would have been straight, right?
Still have like a few steps of level, but
Yeah.
then they were longer.
Damn. We got most of what we need, so we're gonna head back to the new shop. All right, we're back at the shop. You know what? We're just gonna demolish things. Just go at it, you know? Since we have this place now, it's really on us how fast we want to do things. But honestly, while it's still nice outside, we're gonna take advantage. And it's only because since we're ripping out the walls and all the wiring, there's no lights in here, so we're making use of whatever sunlight we have, because it's gonna be dark. All right. Nice, man. So I need a little bit of guidance. For now, I'll like start getting rid of the rubble. Yeah.
All these frames are coming out.
Okay, sweet, dude. Yeah, man. These walls gotta be knocked down, so all the drywall ripped off. And right now, Angus is working on ripping off all those boards. All smashing for me. I'm here to relieve some stress, okay? Does Calgary have one of those like demolish rooms where you basically can just break things? They do?
They do.
Really? Have you been there? Ow! Break time.
Break time, break time.
Too much dust in my eyes. That was bright. That was amazing. Yeesh.
Getting down there. Oh, the medicine.
Hard work. Oh, you found it. I'm really just looking for. Oh, sweet man. I think I might end up using this drawer for the XB project.
Yep.
No way. Yeah. That's all I needed. That's it. Thanks. We're going dumpster diving. So let's see what these guys are up to upstairs. The mezzanine area where we're gonna be situated. And actually, plan is to take this wall out too. So. It's a pretty open balcony.
Down to its own because it's actually nailed down. So that's a flame-proof. Goes down.
Compared to what it was before, now that there's no shelving units, so much more open.
Also, we don't.
Here's the balcony. Dude, I'm excited. This is just super cool. From what we started with at my parents' garage to the small 3-car garage, then to our current one now, this is pretty cool. Oh, so sad. He needs longer leash.
And it might not be such a bad idea if I
Alright, progress check. It's really just walking back and forth to the bin to throw away all the rubble, but you guys get the gist. Tons of walls being knocked down, and we're being careful about all the wiring, but that's what we got So Scared Bear here for. Yeah. Hello. Oh my god.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh no. Sorry, bud.
Yes, I apologize. I don't come into your house and wander around.
Oh, thank you. Beautiful.
Doing photo session?
Yeah, of course. Trying to get some.
My picture too, man.
If you want, man. You're on candid camera.
See you guys.
Okay, appreciate it, man. Have a good night. Thank you. That guy's our savior. Nice, pantyhose.
How much quarter inch?
Whoa.
He accidentally
Use it? Use too much.
Well, he just dipped it by a lot.
Oh.
And then he haven't been like eating spice for like a year. He
Oh
said.
no.
That's all.
It hit him. Dude, why is this even here? Oh no, it's okay, it's okay. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video. We're gonna keep cleaning up, but the plan is for the next few days, this place is gonna become a place that we can really call our home. Probably just gonna keep cleaning up for the rest of the night. We got this bin for another like 7 days. Yeah, pretty much the plan is for renovating, knock down a few walls, and try to save money in areas we can. So, hey, no! So yeah, if we can do all the renovating ourselves, it's a little easier on our wallets. Hey, chill. So as usual, if you guys want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with notification button tick, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace. Alright, it's time to put these guys away. Until next year.